To replace an old valve with a new one is a simple operation that has to be performed in a structured and careful way. To replace the valve, you will need the module with the defective valve, the new valve, an Allen key 3/16 of an inch, an Allen key 3/8 of an inch, and Loctite number 222. At first, turn the module upside down. At the rear of the module, release the 3 screws which hold the valve to be replaced. Then remove the screw that keeps the valve on the axle and put it aside. Remove the valve, turning it carefully. Take the new valve and line its axle up with the tube marked BO. Insert the new valve, taking care that the tube marked BO is positioned on top and lined up with the rest of the module. Tighten the 3 screws to attach the valve to the module. Take the screw that held the axle of the valve and coat it with Loctite number 222. Tighten it to hold the axle. Once you position the valve, release the 2 stops that couple the axle of the valve with the drive shaft. Turn the axle of the valve to the right until it reaches its extreme position. On the front face of the module, set the button to injection. Turn the module 1/4 turn to the left. Position the stop and verify it is against the gasket of the axle. Apply light pressure and tighten the stop. Straighten out the module and position the button on sample. Position the stop and verify it is against the axle. Apply light pressure and tighten the stop. Your module is again ready for operation.